One of the most common topic discussed in context of MCP is that what is difference between MCP and API. This is a very famous topic for general discussion and also for interviews. So I thought I'll discuss this topic with you. So before we discuss about MCP versus API, I want to make sure that you are aware what is MCP and what was the need of having MCP protocol. Now, to build useful applications, you would like AI agents to have the capability to talk to the external world. For example, you would like your AI agent to know how to access the flight's data so that it can find out cheapest flight for you, or it can give you the best route that you should follow in your trip. Or you want it to optimize your calendar so you can have a very efficient day. Or you may be building a AI agent which can optimize your Git code, or you want your AI agent to do something else on the internet. Now, one way for AI agent is to go on internet, browse that website, and do the operation what you want it to do. But a lot of time, the information that you want your AI agent to access may not be directly available on the internet. For example, it may be your company data that that is not exposed on internet. But to build a good application, you want AI agent to have access to that data in a free manner. It should be searchable by that AI agent. Or the problem could be that different airlines have implemented their website in different way, and the methodology to access the data is very different. Now this makes things complicated for AI agent, and MCP is the solution for all of these things. Let us see how. As the name states, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Protocol means it's a standard approach. Now model here is the AI agent or LLM model which is using that standard approach. Context mean the context of application. So MCP mean here we are using standard approach to provide context to our AI agent or model that this is the way it can access that data or application. So in simple words, if the airline exposes its data with help of MCP server, your agent can talk to that MCP server and ask it how it can access the data. So MCP server will tell it that I can provide you these kind of data, and this is how you can request the data. It is very different from API world because in API world, agent has to clearly know how to access that API link, what is the input it expects, and what will be the format of output. In case of MCP server, AI agent doesn't need to know that information prior to making the call. MCP server and AI agent can discuss that at runtime, and AI agent can easily access that information with help of MCP server. So it's a very AI specific way to get information from a different machine or different system. I hope it was very clear. So now since you know what is MCP, finding out difference between MCP and API is very easy. This is the comparison between MCP and API. So first difference is the purpose. So MCP are purpose designed for LLMs and AI agents. They speak the language which is convenient for AI agents, and they expose all that information which is important for AI agents. So it becomes very easy to make your data available for AI agents or LLMs to consume. API are more general purpose way for enabling communication between two softwares. They both have to know the contract, that how to call the API, what is the input expected, and what will the form of output. So they are more general purpose. MCP you should see as a layer on top of API. A fun fact is that most of the MCP servers internally call APIs, but they provide a layer on top of APIs which makes it easy for AI agent to call those APIs. Second one is discovery. In case of APIs, you will need a lot of documentation and there is no self-discovery. The caller of the API has to know that what is the interface, what is the input it is expecting, right? In model context protocol, there is self-discovery. So AI agent can ask MCP server that how to call this, how to get this data, what input you expect, and MCP will share all that information with the AI agent. So MCP is more standard, it's uniform protocol for all the servers, and API may be different for different authentication schemes. If you deploy new data and if you're providing new features and capability In case of APIs, the consumer has to know that this is the new capability, and sometimes it can break the contract between the consumer and the provider. In case of MCP, since everything is dynamic, nothing breaks. It adapts to the new features and new data very seamlessly. As I said earlier, MCP is specifically designed for AI, so the integration with different AI systems is very easy. If you don't want to use MCP but still want to consume the data from different places, you have to write lot of custom code to call the specific APIs of that company or the product. So the integration is not very clean with API. I hope this is very clear that what is difference between MCP and API. If you still have any doubts, you can post your questions in the comment section and I'll again explain them. Happy learning.